What?
What is that?
Yes. Can you show Mommy how nice you are to your little sister? And give her a nice kiss? Oh, that was so nice of you.
Oh. Ew.
What do you have? What's in your hand?
Cupcake.
Cupcake?
Mm-hmm.
Is it because it was your birthday?
It's hot.
Hmm?
It's hot.
You're hot.
It hurts.
It hurt. Hmm. Hi, Coco. Hi. Oh, did your brother just kick your chair? Hi, Coco. What's her name? What's the baby's name?
Taco.
Oh, and is she your baby?
Baby taco.
Okay, and what's your name?
Suey.
Oh, and how old are you?
2.
You're 2?
Hi, Suey chair.
Oh, is she in Huey's chair?
Sit that.
You want to sit in it? Okay, you can sit in it. But she's sitting in it right now.
I sit that.
You want to sit in that chair?
Yes.
Okay. Would you like me to pick Coco up so you can sit down?
I'm not taco chair.
It's not Taco's chair? Okay. Bye.